Hey foodies, it's Crystal. Welcome back to my Gadget Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make pressure cooker chicken soup, chicken stew. I don't know what it is, but I'm going to show you how to cook it. I use my Instant Pot, but use whatever pressure cooker you own. First, I started off by doing a rough chop on some veggies. I've got a couple onions, I've got 4 carrots, and 4 stalks of celery. Next, I minced about 6 cloves of garlic. Now I'm chopping about 2 pounds of, I think they're called golden potatoes. This was not a part of the initial recipe, but I had this bell pepper in the fridge that I needed to use, so I decided to dice it up along with this jalapeno that I had as well. Waste not, want not. Now it's time to season up this chicken. I kind of just grabbed whatever caught my eye in the pantry, so you season your chicken any way that you want to, or you can use the seasonings that I'm using. But I've got about 6 boneless, skinless chicken thighs that I'm seasoning on both sides, and then I sprayed with some olive oil. Ooh, you know this chicken is about to taste good. So I've preheated my pressure cooker and now I'm spraying it with olive oil, and I am going to brown the chicken thighs on both sides. Now it's time to add in those veggies. Now I'm going to add in a couple of bay leaves and then season up the can't talk today and then season the vegetables. Next, I added in the potatoes and seasoned those as well. Now it's time to add in that bell pepper and jalapeno that I had. Finally, I'm adding 1 can of cream of chicken soup followed by 4 cups of chicken broth. Now it's time to seal the pressure cooker and set it to cook on high pressure for 12 minutes. Now, if you're in a hurry, once that 12 minutes is up, you can do a quick release and go ahead and dig in. Or if you're like me and not in a rush, you can go ahead and just let it chill and then release the pressure when you're ready to eat. Here's what it looks like when it's all done cooking. Yummy. So that's it. Now it's time to serve it up. I served this soup slash stew slash I don't know with a side salad and some refrigerated crescent rolls that I baked in the June oven. So did you like this recipe? Well, if you did, please give me a thumbs up. That's the kind thing to do. Also, leave me a comment and let me know if you're going to give this recipe a try. If you're here and you're not yet subscribed, go ahead and tap that button and click that bell so you're notified of my next upload. As always, thanks so much for watching, and remember, get out of that drive-thru and get into the kitchen. Bye!